Lack of quality time is one of the main reasons why relationships fail. So on this video today, I'm going to be showing you that you can live in the same house, drink from the same cup of water, probably you greet yourself good morning, and there is no quality time. In fact, you can even have physical activity together and there is emotional distance. That is what lack of quality time can cause you. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe, do well to listen to the end, because I'm going to be telling you the effect of lack of quality time, the kind of damage it will do to your relationship, and how you can restore and survive a relationship if there is no quality time. So do well to subscribe and also like the video. Once again, I'm Lucky Iyenanatu. I'm a certified relationship coach, helping your relationship thrive and become a better relationship. So number one thing lack of quality time will do to your relationship is disconnection. You people can have physical activities together. You are not connecting emotionally. You understand? You start feeling like a stranger in that relationship instead of you to become partner. Instead of you to be team, you are not feeling like a stranger because there is emotional disconnection. And that is because there is what? Lack of quality time. Then second thing lack of quality time will cause in your relationship is misunderstanding will continue to increase. You understand? If there is lack of quality time in your relationship, it's going to cause you to have misunderstanding. Normally, if there is quality time in your relationship, what should have caused issue must have been probably maybe little things that are not really supposed to cause issue. But if there is no quality time, any misunderstanding will increase. You understand? Any little thing, any little misunderstanding, it will look as if there is a problem that you people have been trying to sort. You understand? And this thing is just little misunderstanding, no. But because there is lack of quality time, any little misunderstanding will become big issues that you people are trying to solve and settle. So third thing lack of quality time will do to your relationship is what I call temptation rise. You understand? Temptation rise. So if you are not spending quality time with your partner, if you are not spending quality time with your love, somebody else is going to spend that quality time with them. Somebody else is going to give them that attention you are not giving them, and that can create room for temptation. That can create room for shift in attention, and I bet you don't want that in your relationship. So now let's dive in how you can fix lack of quality time in your relationship. How you can fix lack of quality time in your relationship. Number one, schedule intentional time. You understand? You just need to be intentional about your time. Schedule an intentional time. Make it a priority. Make it part of your duty that, okay, from this time to this time, we are going to have a talk, we are going to have a discussion. Not just how are you, how was your day? Yeah, those are good, but have deep conversation, have heartfelt conversation, have something at the end of each conversation, have something you take home. You understand? Let there be heartfelt conversation. So schedule a time for important talk. So number two thing you need to do to fix lack of quality time in your relationship is what I call quality over quantity. You understand? When let me give this example. I guess you understand from this example. Now you can spend 5 hours with your partner, and it's as if you didn't really spend more time. At the end of the day, somebody asks you, okay, now you spent 5 hours with your partner. How was the time? Like, how was the quality of the time spent with her or with him? Was it worth it? You understand? Is it that you people you're not just saying anything, you just had just physical activities and there's no connectivity? So that is what quantity over quality I'm talking about. So if you people are spending 30 minutes, let that 30 minutes be intentional. Let it be that, okay, you are doing this and you are doing this. We are discussing this and we are discussing that. We are taking this relationship serious. We are talking things that will move the relationship from where it is to where it was. Not that you will spend hours together, at the end of the day it feel like you people never really met. There's no memories, there's nothing. So make sure there is heartfelt conversation. Make sure there is quality conversation. Make sure there is intentional conversation. When you guys are together, make sure your phone is down, nobody's replying message. You are face to face with your partner and you people are discussing and making memories together. Number 3 thing you need to do to improve lack of quality time in your relationship is small daily ritual. This is like you people having an intentional ritual every day. It could be praying together, it could be playing a game together. It could be, okay, from this time to this time, we just take a walk. You understand? Just me and you taking a walk. Just anywhere, just go to anywhere, just take a walk. Those small daily routines help to build quality time in your relationship. You understand? Those small quality time goes a long way in your relationship. Then number 14 you need to do that will improve your lack of quality time in a relationship is protect your time. I'm going to explain this very well so that you understand. Protect your time. Now we are in the days of social media. You can barely spend hours, minutes, lengthy times on social media and we are fine. So protect your time. So even though you are busy and you have something to do that is important, don't let anything happen to the time you will spend with your partner. You understand? Regardless of how busy you are, regardless of how demanding your time schedule is, make sure if it is 1 hour you are going to spend with them, if it is 30 minutes you are going to spend with her or with him, make sure nothing happen to that time. Don't allow social media take your time. Don't allow friends take your partner's time. Yes, friends. You understand? Don't allow your friend, they are your bestie. Don't allow your bestie time to take your partner's time. It's very, very important. So protect your time. So if you are giving her 30 minutes a day, make sure you protect that time. Don't give it to something else. Else, gradually, you'll be creating lack of quality time in that your relationship. I want you to know, lack of quality time is like a fuel. You understand? When there is no quality time in your relationship, it's just like a car without a fuel. So fuel is just like quality time. The effect, the same thing a fuel is to a car, is what quality time is to a relationship. So if you think it's not important, if you think fuel is not important in your car, you might just discover that your car is not going anywhere. Not because the car is bad, but because you refuse to add fuel to that your car. So if you don't add quality time to that your relationship, you just discover that your relationship is stagnant and is not going anywhere. So for your relationship to move from where it is now to where it needs to be, you need to add quality time, and you need to be very, very, very intentional about it. Schedule an intentional time, quality over quantity. So don't just say you spend lengthy hours. That time you spend, was it heartfelt? You understand? Can you leave that time now? You miss the conversation and you miss the memory. You understand? Then I also say something about small daily ritual, like working together, playing game, prayer, praying together. It also help your relationship. And lastly, I said protect your time. Don't let social media, don't let friends, don't let business, don't let work take your partner's time daily. So finally, relationship is not a force, it's a choice. So if you choose to be in a relationship, make sure you do what it takes to make your relationship heaven on earth. Don't make relationship miserable to somebody. Don't make relationship look like a regret to somebody. Also, my next point is something you have not heard before. This is most of the reason why relationships fail in our age and time. So I bet you don't want to miss it. So do well. If you have missed other video, I dropped first video, I dropped second video. So this is the third video now on why relationship fail. So I'll be doing another video on why relationship fail. So I don't want you to miss it. It's something very, very important. It's something most people don't talk about, and it's the reason why most relationships fail. So do well, subscribe, like the video so that people like this can see the video and be of better help to them. Once again, see you in my next video. Thank you.